let's discuss a scenario where a PC is infected with some type of malware or virus. In many cases, we are looking at a scenario where IT has to re-image that PC in order to clean it, and this can be very time-consuming. Or you have an alternative with Persystent Solo. With our patented repair technology, you no longer have to re-image in the traditional sense. You can now repair. I have some statistics from an article that I read recently that states that between August and September of this year, the amount of malware increased by 9%. Additionally, remote end users or laptop users are 5 times more likely to be infected and are more difficult and time-consuming to get back up and running, because usually you have to bring that PC back into the office to do that. So re-imaging is a significant impact on IT, which we all know IT departments now they're overburdened and certainly understaffed in this economy. And it's impacting the productivity of the end user whose machine is unavailable. So let's take a look at your alternative, Persystent Solo Repair. One of the design goals that we had delivered on recently with the release of Persystent Solo 6.1 was the introduction of a very simple end user interface. If you have more technical savvy end users, you can put this product into their hands and really let them become responsible for maintaining their own PCs, and this of course lightens the burden on IT. The end user can determine what the known good state of their machine is and then take a snapshot of that desired state, what we call a repair point. In this case, the repair points that I've taken here, I've just used the system level defaults for the folders and file includes. But if you have a specific folder that you would like to be added into your repair point, you can go and add that folder or file to the repair point and then essentially customize what it is that you are including in there that you want to be repaired. So then in the case where we were talking about having potentially a virus infect this machine, then I can easily go and pick the repair point that I want to go back to, re-image essentially, click on repair. This will schedule it to happen the next time that this PC is rebooted. I can either do that now, or if I'm in the middle of some other work that I need to close down, I can wait and have that reboot done later. So when it reboots, the active repair point will be the one that is put back in place, essentially quickly re-imaging your machine. In some cases, it is a good idea to put the product in the user's hands and let them have control, but there may be cases where this is not desirable. And the product is a help desk tool, trying to lighten that load. And when leaving it up to the end user, they may not always have the level of expertise to configure the application correctly, or they may not be disciplined enough to actually go through and create these repair points as needed. So one of our other goals of Persystent Solo 6.1 was to provide customized installations, allowing for pre-configuration and as much automation as possible. In future videos, we will show you how to configure the application, export those configurations, and then easily deploy these pre-configured Solo 6.1 to many PCs at once.